Okay, beautiful people. Now, in forces of equilibrium, we are given a question on the board to solve. Now, this question looks simple to do. Okay, so the question says a uniform meter rule of mass x balances at 30 cm mark. When a mass of 45 grams is hung at the 10 cm mark, the value of x is, that is the axis. They are asking us the mass of the meter rule. So this is a meter rule. Now, the mass, the center of mass of this meter rule will be at the center of the meter rule. That is it. So let's say here is the center. Now this is our x. So now this, they say balances of mass x balances at the 30 cm mark when a mass of 45 grams is hung at 10 cm. That's this meter rule balances at 30 cm mark. So this is the pivot, okay? So this is where the meter rule will balance. This is it. This is 30 cm. Meter rule is 100 cm. The length of a meter rule is 100 cm, okay? 100 cm. Yeah. So this is the 30 cm mark. So, this thing will balance here when a mass of 45 grams is hung at 10 cm. So this is 0. This is, let's say here is 10. Okay, let's say here is 10. So this mass is 45 grams. Okay. Now, remember that from here to here is 50. Remember, this is 50. That is from here to the center. Okay. This place is 30. This is 30. This is 30 cm. This place 30. So from here to here is 50 cm. So if from here to here is 50 and here is 30, you know that here will be 20. Okay, here will be 20. That's from here to here will be 20 cm. Yeah, this 20 cm. So now this is 10 cm. This place is 10 cm. Okay. Now, if here is 10 and here is 30, that means here will also be 20. Do you see? You see? So, having gotten all this, you now consider that the summation of clockwise moments is equal to the sum of what? Anti-clockwise moments. Yeah. Clockwise moments is equal to what? Anti-clockwise moments. So this is the clockwise moment. So we now have x times 20 is equal to 45 times 20. Yeah, 45 times 20. So this is. So the answer is, 20, we just cancel both sides. Okay, we divide 20 both sides. So you see, so x is clearly 45 grams. Okay, so this is the mass of the meter rule. This question is very easy. Okay, you will ask me, moment of force is force times perpendicular distance. Yes, and we need to convert this one to meters. SI unit in physics, and weight is measured in newtons. So these masses will be changed to kilogram, and later you convert it to, as in you multiply it by gravity, 9.8 or 10, to find the weight. Okay, so that you will be like absolutely right. Yes, you are correct. Correct. But you see this equation. That time I wrote x times 20 equal to 45 times 20. Anything you convert here will cancel. Any conversion factor you put here, it will cancel out both sides. Do you understand? Let's say this 20 cm. Let's say this 20 cm. Converting 20 cm to meters is 20 divided by what? 100. Yeah. So this is 20 divided by 100. You see, they will both cancel out both sides. Now this mass, this x is mass, and this 45 is what? Mass. If you convert it to kilogram, gram to kilogram is divided by what? 1,000. Yes, 1,000 grams divided by 1,000 grams. They will both cancel both sides. Do you see? If you decide to add times it by gravity again, times g, this one times g again, this one, like this g now is going to here, they will still cancel both sides. Do you see why we solve it like this? So that we will minimize what? Time. Do you understand? Yes. So this is clearly the answer. So this is how you solve questions on this. Okay. So study it carefully and make sure you are capable of taking care of questions from this. It's very, very simple. Always know that the meter rule, the mass, the center of mass is always at the center of the meter rule, at the 50 cm mark. Okay, please don't forget that.